This is how you can get credit on Temu. Now, first you need to open your Temu app. From in here, you can see the options at the bottom. You're gonna click on You, and you should be able to find a button that says Credit Balance. Click on it, and you can see how many credits you have. Now, in the top right, there will be a little eye icon. Click on it. Here, you can check how you can get the Temu credit balance. Now, what it says is, Temu will issue credits to you from time to time as a compensation for any inconvenience we may have caused you during your shopping experience with us, like the items you ordered out of stock or the delivery takes longer than estimated. Also, you may get credits as a reward if you participate in the promotional activities. Also, you can get credits if you return items and choose to get the Temu credit. So those are the ways you can get Temu credit on your account.